everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making Beefaroni Grilled Cheese. What all goes into the Beefaroni Grilled Cheese? This just makes one sandwich, so I'm doubling it. So I'm going to be doing 2 Chef Boyardee microwave cups of beefaroni, 4 slices of white bread, 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, and 1 tablespoon butter. So let's begin. First thing you want to do is heat up the beefaroni in the microwave as per package directions. So I'm going to make 4 sandwiches instead of just the 2, and you're supposed to take your butter and spread it on one side of each piece of bread. I'm going to do mayonnaise. It just spreads so much easier. So then flip them over and sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on 2 of the slices of bread, the 2 bottom sides, or in our case 4 of them, because we're making 4 sandwiches. Then take our beefaroni and put about 2 tablespoons on there and spread it out. And Buddy's just waiting for me to drop them. Then add a little bit more cheese. And then put the top piece. I will make the other 2, and then we'll preheat our griddle. Preheat your griddle to medium-low. I'm going to be doing 325. So I did grease it a little bit. After it is hot, add your Beefaroni grilled cheese. Cook them about 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown. This is the color that you want. I'm cooking the other side. This is actually either the sauce from the beefaroni or the cheese. I'm not sure which. But I'll see you when we get ready to dish up. So here is the Beefaroni grilled cheese sandwich. Let's see what Dave thinks.
There's weird stuff coming out of my toast.
Yeah.
I'm assuming that's what I'm going to try.
Yeah, taste the weird stuff. That is Beefaroni grilled cheese.
Beefaroni. That's that
Chef Boyardee stuff.
canned stuff. Okay. I don't think I've ever eaten that before.
That's one of the better ones, I think.
It's not bad, but not really, I don't think, my thing. I won't be hungry when I'm done, and I won't have to choke it down. But
well, that's a plus, not having to choke it down.
Yeah, I mean, so what'd you call it again?
Beefaroni.
Beefaroni?
Yeah.
Okay, well, the grilled cheese part of it is good. The bread's good. It's toasted well.
You're not a beefaroni fan?
I'm not a beefaroni fan, apparently. Is there actually meat in there?
Well, it's got meat sauce anyway. Might have a few little crumbs.
Well, like I said, it's not bad. It just, it's not a Dave thing. Well, that's just it. It's not bad, but I don't think I would ever request that you make this. But if you did make it, I would eat it. How about that? That's where I can go with that.
Sounds fair.
Wouldn't ask for it, but if you made it, if you like it, and you make one for yourself, I'll have one also.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.